we have a hinge on the left and the right that has come off. And what I will attempt is to resecure the hinge back to this lid and see what kind of cleanup or fixing I can do to make this look nasty. So let's see if I can turn a silk purse into a sow's ear. And the drill bit will also be 7/64. You can see the marking from these 3 holes, 1, 2, 3. And that's what I'm going to drill through. Okay? Take off what's left of this and clean the screen that is just chock full of boogers. That's relatively disgusting. Not too much pressure. I think that'll be fine. Put it in that way, because when this closes, and that's pretty good. That's good. Okay, seems alright. That's one. Alright, that seems reasonable. Let's get some lock washer and a nut. Not too tight at first. Alright, everything's pretty settled. Let me get this piece that's remaining on here. What there is of it. Do the same thing over here. Alright, so the most logical thing to do is tighten everything down, fold it up, dump some super glue. You know what? I think I'll cut those off first. Ow! Ow! Farking hot. My God, that was hot. Oof. I am not happy with that. Alright, baking soda. Baking soda. An old toothbrush. What did you do with it? Did you see it? Well, let's just blow it off. I need my old toothbrush. Or an old toothbrush. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. Let me blow it off. Let's make sure all these guys are tight. I see a little wobble on the inside of the base. Ooh. This. Tight. 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 Uh-oh. Tight. I mean loose, but tight now. And let's tighten everything down. Now, to cover this up, good old black fingernail polish. Yeah. Not bad. Smells like fingernail polish. Okay. We certainly have to let that dry. So I'm going to let that dry. Yeah, it is what it is. I'll be back. And I believe the easiest thing to do to cover this up electrician's electrical tape. I mean, I see no other way around it, but I do want to go over a little bit. Don't stretch it. Fingernail polish. Okay, we'll let that dry. Okay, here's the deal. I don't know what happened to the audio. I guess I left it off. This is the end of the video. I hope you learned something. I know I did. And please subscribe. It does help. And ring the bell so you can be notified of anything that may come through that I happen to put on. And thank you.